Hey everyone, welcome to my favorite recurring video on my channel. It is a look back at the monthly favorites from 2 years prior. So we are going back to August of 2017 to find out what happened to those monthly favorites. And if you are a creator and you are watching this, please consider doing this on your own channel. I love making monthly favorites. I love watching monthly favorites, but I'm the kind of person who wants to know what happened next. Are they still a favorite of yours? If not, what has replaced them? And new for me this month, and hopefully going forward, in the description box I've always listed the new stuff, but this time I'm going to keep the old description box, and then underneath each item, if there's a new favorite, I will list that as well. A few of you have asked me to leave the old favorite, so you can reference that. So let's get on with it. Looking down a lot because I've got my description box printed out from 2017 on the table in front of me. So the first favorite was a highlighter. This is from August 2017, and it is the Wet n Wild highlighting powder. I have it in the shade Blossom Glow, and I'm actually wearing it today. There it is, all glowy, and it's still around. It's still a favorite. I kind of forgot that I had it, and that is another reason why I absolutely love doing these videos, because it's not that I stopped liking a product necessarily, but just something new has come in either in PR or something new is launched, and of course I have to go get the new thing, and you kind of forget about the old stuff. So glad I rediscovered this. This is a great highlighter, but a current favorite, not just drugstore favorite, but current favorite period, and it's been a favorite for a while, is from the Maybelline Master Glow. It's the rose gold one. I love this one, and I also have I think it's limited edition to Ulta. It's the shade 250. I don't have the actual written name. I think this was with Nikki Tutorials, and this is more of a bright, whitey champagne kind of shade. So if you're very fair skinned, this would be great for you as well. Love those. They're just good highlighters, period. Not with the qualifier for a drugstore. No, just they're good. The next favorite, I'm sad to talk about because one, I forgot I had it, and it's a really great product, but two, the company went bankrupt, so it's no longer available. I found some dupes, like I found it still on Amazon and places like that for like 3 times what I paid for it, so I don't think that's a great plan. But anyway, it was the Model's Own Barely There palette. Is that what it's called? Yeah. And it's just one of those, I love these beautiful, neutral, boring brown tone with a little champagne twist kind of palette. Love it. They had also apparently released a Barely There too. Totally missed that one. So kind of sad, but it's still a great palette. I'm still going to use it, and if some of you still have it around, let me know if you're still using it. Just because it's discontinued doesn't mean I'm throwing it away. But a new favorite find from the same place I bought the Model's Own palette at Ulta is I love BH Cosmetics palettes. I think they make I think they're one of the most underrated brands out there. Their eyeshadows are so creamy and so pigmented. I love the color combinations. This newest one I just picked up just a couple weeks ago, actually. I went into Ulta for something else entirely. Can't remember what it was. Didn't get that, but walked out with this. It happens. It's the BH Cosmetics Love in London, and it is a very neutral palette with some fun shades kicked in. I will say that my only disappointment with this palette is that I picked it up because it looked like it went neutral to maybe a little bit on the warm side, and actually most of these shades come off rather cool toned. I have them on my lids right now, on my whole eye. And as you can tell, it pulls pretty cool toned on me. I have this Palace shade mostly on the lid, and it's a very metallic, frosty, more silvery than how it looks in the palette. In the palette, it looks like more of a taupe. I love it. It's just definitely way more cool toned on me than I anticipated. But I mean, look at how pigmented that is. How can you not love this palette? Love it. Okay, next favorite from 2017 was this guy. Still have it. It's from Charlotte Tilbury, and I just love saying the name. I hope I don't get dinged by YouTube. It's the, I can't remember which line of her lipstick it is. I always forget if it's the Kissing or the other one, but it is the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in the shade Bitch Perfect. And it's called that because, bitch, it is perfect. And it is. It's a beautiful nude tone, little bit pink, very wearable, very chameleon-like in how if you put a gloss or lip liner of different shades, it will run more nude or more pink. But it has been supplanted as my favorite nudie pink from Charlotte Tilbury, and it's what I'm wearing on my lips right now, and it is JK Magic. I'm going to swatch it right next to it. It's a little more of a true neutral, but it's very similar, and I feel like it's a little creamier and a little more pigmented. That is the new shade right there. Love the whole Hot Lips collection, very much like the nude, neutral, lighter shades that have come out. Haven't tried the darker ones yet. The next favorite is from Aveda. I still have a tiny little bit in here. It's the Shampure Thermal Dry Conditioner. What I use it for is on second or dare I say third day hair. If I want to kind of, especially with the new Revlon one-step brush I use, I kind of want to zhuzh it up, re-smooth a little bit, add a little more volume. I'll spray this. It's a very, very fine mist all over my hair. It doesn't leave it damp, but it does leave a little bit of moisture so that you can run, you can run a hair dryer through your hair again, kind of bring it back to life. And I love it, but as soon as this runs out, I'm going to get something that's new to me from Aveda. It's a heat protectant conditioner styling mist. Definitely created more in mind for specifically using it for styling your hair again, and I can use it on my wet hair as well. So I like that it's a little more versatile. Another favorite from August of 2017 that is no longer with us is the Redken Glow Dry Diamond Oil. It's a beautiful oil. I used to use it pumped in by itself or mixed in with a styling cream on my wet hair, and then I would use it to finish off my ends and kind of smooth everything down on my dry hair. That has been supplanted by this guy. This is the Colleen Rothschild Smooth and Shine Hair Serum. If you buy one thing from Colleen, I wouldn't say this. I would say if you buy one thing from the Colleen Rothschild line, I would say the whole kit that comes with this and the conditioner. But if you only want to get one of those items, get the full-size version of this. This is the smaller size. This is such a life-changing product. I pump it in with my styling cream. I basically use it just like I use the Redken, but it's so much better. My hair is sleeker. It is less frizzy. It smells good. My hair, I don't know exactly what she put in this, but it's magic in a bottle. And as always, even if there's no sale running on the Colleen Rothschild website, I always have a coupon code. That's not an affiliate code. You can use it however you like, but it's 20% off anything that's not already on sale. So I'll put that in the description box. This next one is no longer a favorite, and I don't have anything to replace it. It was the Algenist Genius Liquid Collagen Serum. It is an amazing serum, and if you're one of those people that does not have an allergy or intolerance or something weird goes on with your skin when you put collagen on it or ingest collagen, then you will love this serum. For some reason, I don't know what happened. If you put collagen on me, if you put collagen in me, I break out. But this is a beautiful kind of skin plumping, wrinkle reducing serum that actually worked really quickly until other things started going on with my skin. I know other people love it, use it, rave about it, just did not work for me. So it went bye-bye. And I have nothing in my skincare repertoire that's even remotely close to what that thing was. Another favorite that is still a favorite and it's on my body is this Gorjana necklace. It's the Lariat necklace. It's kind of like a 5-in-1. So this bead in the middle here, you can pull it down and adjust it at any height. So you can make your necklace do anything you want, really. So you can have just a long pendant necklace. Oh, I just kind of strangled myself there. You can make it into a choker. You can spin it around so the lariat part is running down your back. You can adjust it wherever you want these little beads to be. The beads or move around, whatever. It's very versatile. This is the large version. There's also a smaller version, and it also comes in silver and rose gold. It is such a versatile piece, and it's been around for a long time. I love that Gorjana tends to keep their pieces around for a while. It's not like one season and it's gone. This makes me sad. They were my favorite pair of sunglasses, the Ralph Lauren sunglasses. I can't even show you a picture of them. They are still available on Amazon in some random turquoise color, maybe black, but I had the brown tortoiseshell. I loved them. They were by far my favorite pair of sunglasses I've ever had, and I left them somewhere. I lost them. They're gone. I do have some current new favorites. I recently did a campaign and a blog post with Chico's, and they let me pick out 2 pairs of sunglasses that had nothing to do with the campaign. And I love these. These are the square ones. They're kind of very 70s boho, funky. I love them. And then I also got these, more of a black lens. I love them. They're different. There you go. Now you can see them without the ring light in them. They're different, but they're fun, and They're very reasonably priced, so when I inevitably scratch them, break them, lose them, it won't be the end of the world. But I didn't really think about Chico's for sunglasses, and now they are on my radar. This was a favorite, and I think I may have bought it in the anniversary sale in 2017, and as you can see, it is alive and well and still very much in perfect shape. It is the Caslon rounded U-neck or V-neck tee, little pocket here. I'm wearing an extra small. They run big. Caslon generally runs big, size down. They come in a variety of colors, prints, solids, patterns, and stuck up. They're fabulous. Great. Even at full price, they are under $20, I believe. So really good buy. Another favorite from 2017. I have the one I'm talking about, but I also got a new one that I'm currently wearing. It's the Natori. They call it like the t-shirt bra, or they come up with different names during the anniversary sale, I swear. But whatever it is, I will list it in the description box, the actual bra. And I'm wearing a new one that I got in the anniversary sale. There it is. So the one I had in 2017 and still have. It's the same bra, it's the same color, but it has like a contrasting white embroidery in it, and this is more solid dark gray. So if my strap should show, it kind of blends a little better. And inevitably, in all of my videos, my bra straps show. So sorry. Another favorite, still a favorite, adore these. They are the Vince Camuto Twill Joggers. They come in black, like sort of an off black and an olive green option. They're still available in very limited sizes at Nordstrom, and they are the best kind of business casual jogger because of that twill, almost modal fabric. It's very drapey, and it's not like wearing jogger sweatpants. They're great for travel. These are kind of my go-to travel pants. I love them, and I have not found anything else quite like them. So if you have, can you please list in the description box if it's maybe different colors or similar fabric, because I love these pants, and they're currently very limited in size, and I would like to get more of them. This was another anniversary sale favorite. This makes sense. It was August of 2017. It had just wrapped up, and it is a blush tie neck blouse. I still wear it. I still love it. It's from Halogen, I think. I still love a tie neck blouse. I think they're very feminine and very beautiful, and I hate generally just the traditional button down kind of shirt. So this is a nice way to wear a more dressy blouse with an interesting color. That one is currently not available, but I will list a few new favorites that have caught my eye in a similar or cheaper price point, because I'm all about finding it for a little bit less if possible. All right, moving on to what appears to be my lifestyle favorites from August 2017. The first thing was an Erin Condren planner. Well, this is my current one. This exact cover is not currently available. I haven't ordered my 2020. I haven't ordered my 2021 yet. I like to go January through December. I don't do school year to school year. That's just how my brain works, January through December. So seeing that we're still in August, I have a little bit of time. But my preference is the horizontal. Oh, wow, I already have stuff written down for December. That's great. I prefer the horizontal planner, the non-colored option. It's just easier for my brain to process with less distractions. And I'm sure I'll be ordering probably closer to October, my next one, because I love them and I've been getting them. Other than the very first time I ordered it and it did not go great, ever since then, smooth sailing, love Erin Condren, love the products. I guess I had fall on the brain. Maybe that means they're releasing these again. These are the Trapp Candles, and I usually get doubles and hoard them because they're generally limited edition. But now with Amazon, you can get everything you want pretty much year round. These are the Trapp Candles in general. I love a ton of their scents. My favorite, other than the limited edition ones, probably Sexy Cinnamon. But this holiday one and then this hearth one are my absolute favorites. It'd be hard to pick. Ooh, I don't know which one I like better, but I always get two of them, so I have one as backup because I go through them pretty quickly, and I've been hoarding these since the end of wintertime, and I can't wait for the seasons to change a little bit so that I can justify burning it. Maybe September 1st. We're almost there. A couple more favorites real quickly. The Glamorous laundry detergent in the scent Diva. It was the Diva Wash is what I called it. If you are looking for a way, now that we're going into the school year, if you're looking for a way to wash your child's clothes that you don't want them to be stinky, they'll sweat in them and they still won't be stinky, you got to get this wash. It is incredible. It's incredibly expensive as well. So let me tell you the trick. Instead of using the full amount for your wash, use just like a capful and then just get unscented detergent and add that as well. That's how you get the scent. Now, if you want full strength, knock yourself out, but or maybe you just want to save it for your intimates or for your sheets. It's a very unisex, amazing scent, and I first discovered it because another football mom, her son smelled good, and everybody always talked about how he smelled so good, and we asked, like, what cologne is it? No, it was the Diva Wash. It's incredible. There's also matching dryer sachets. I didn't find them to be, I like them, but I didn't find them to last as long as I'd like. So I'm still on the hunt for some sort of dryer sachet that will extend that scent. But a new current one that I'm really enjoying is from Method. It's, I think, ginger mango. It's that warm spiciness that's very similar to what the Diva scent is. So if you know of a way to duplicate that scent, maybe on a essential oil with the dryer ball, I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. And then the last couple of favorites were books. One was Strange Practice, which I'm excited to say next month. The third book in the series is coming out. Strange Practice was the first one. The main character is a normal human being who is a doctor in London, and her patients are not so normal. They're all the supernatural creatures that live in London. Love that premise. And then the second favorite book, sadly, ended in 2017, and it's one of those books that I wake up and think about what's going on with those characters at least once a week. So I really hope Kelly Armstrong brings this series back. I'm sorry, it's the Gainesville series, and I've talked about it a lot on this channel. I'll list the first book in the description box. There are 5 books in the series, a couple novellas and short stories as well, but the characters just stick with you. And I wake up in the morning sometimes and go, I wonder what Gabriel's doing right now. So check that one out. So that's it for our time travel back to August 2017. Now we're moving towards September 2019. I can't wait to talk about my current favorites with you at the end of the month for August favorites and all that good stuff. So please make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on all the fun. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.